Thanks everybody for being here today. We're very excited to be with you. And today, just to give you a bit of a rundown of what's to come, we have Matthew Turek, who's our president of the CAA Insurance Company, who will deliver some remarks, followed by Elliot Silverstein, who's the manager of government relations. They can take some of your questions. We'll do a nice group photo, and then they will be available for interviews afterwards as well. Thanks. Matthew?
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. My name is Matthew Turek, and I am the president of insurance for CAA Insurance Company. For over 40 years, CAA Insurance has been protecting Canadians in their homes, on the road, and when it matters the most. We are an independent insurance company, an affiliate of CAA Club Group. Our business was built over time by offering insurance products that focus on safety. We are now entering a new chapter at CAA Insurance. We believe that insurance should be designed based on individual lifestyles and stages of people's lives. It should be flexible and responsive. And so we are evolving our products and programs to reflect that. We are here today to announce a new program that brings us one step closer to that reality. Beginning this July, Ontario motorists who are looking for flexibility in how they manage their auto insurance premiums will have a compelling new option. People should be able to get the insurance they need when they need it and at the price that works for them. CAA MyPace will be the first pay-as-you-go auto insurance program in Canada. It offers drivers in Ontario more choice and more control. Simply put, CAA MyPace puts consumers' needs first. It allows motorists to track how much they are driving and pay for auto insurance based on that mileage. Motorists will start with a base rate and be charged in 1,000 kilometer increments. The program is powered by a telematics device that is plugged into your vehicle. It allows motorists to monitor their mileage by using the CAA MyPace app or online through a portal. CAA MyPace is ideal for motorists who drive less than 9,000 kilometers a year. Whether you're a Monday to Friday commuter, like many of the commuters here, who leaves their car at home during the day, someone who's retired who drives on the weekend to visit their families, or simply someone with a low mileage lifestyle, this new approach to insurance is likely to benefit you. We are looking forward to rolling out CAA MyPace this summer. At CAA Insurance, we are proud to be the first to give Ontario motorists a new option that responds to their lifestyle and provides more choice and more control when it comes to auto insurance. Thank you, and I'd love to now turn it over to my colleague, Elliot Silverstein.
Thanks, Matthew, and good morning. Thank you for joining us. My name is Elliot Silverstein, and I'm Manager of Government Relations with CAA. As Matthew alluded to a moment ago, today's announcement by CAA Insurance, introducing CAA MyPace, is an unprecedented shift in the options available for motorists in Ontario. Today we are at the midpoint of Ontario's general election, and once again the cost of auto insurance is commanding attention by political parties, with various commitments being made to help lower auto insurance costs for motorists if they are elected. Over the last number of years, auto insurance has been front of mind for many Ontarians, based on previous legislation like Bill 15, revisions in policy coverage, and efforts to reduce auto insurance premiums. Today's announcement provides an additional layer of choice for those who are low-mileage drivers and marks an important step in the modernization of insurance in Ontario. As we stand here today at Union Station, tens of thousands of commuters have chosen to take public transportation into the downtown core from their residences across the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area and beyond. They are individuals who have chosen to reduce the amount of kilometers they put on their cars daily. And now there's an insurance program that is more aligned to their lifestyle and their choice. Auto insurance is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Motorists vary in their experience, their driving record, and in the amount they drive. CAA MyPace is the first program to incorporate that third variable. With the conversation around auto insurance largely revolving around those who are responsible for high costs, CAA Insurance has worked extensively to offer a viable solution beginning this summer. For CAA Insurance, this new flexibility is the latest in our continued leadership in this space. As road safety advocates, CAA led the effort 7 years ago to have an insurance discount for installing winter tires on your vehicle. Soon after, CAA Insurance was the first company to offer a 5% discount to policyholders who participated. Thank you again for joining us this morning. I'd like to call on Matthew to join me back at the podium, and we welcome your questions.
Has this been approved by Fisco, the MyPace?
Yes, it has. It was approved by Fisco in February and launching this summer.
Any idea the percentage of drivers that this would potentially help or affect?
Don't have an exact percentage to give, but what we've heard from our consumers is that there's a lot of drivers that we know that are low kilometer drivers, either leaving their cars at home, going away for the winter, or just commuting, choosing to use multiple modes of transportation, whether it's a bike or public transit, as we see today. So this product is ideal for anyone who's driving 9,000 kilometers or less per year.
Initial charge?
So initially it's an individual rate by person. All rating is still filed individually and determined individually based on each individual user. It's then divided in through a proprietary algorithm, charged at 1,000 kilometer increments.
So this program is open this summer.
Yes, starts in July.
Mentioned the election. One of the election issues is territorial ratings. So some politicians, Patrick Brown had mentioned this before, they're opposed to using territory as a basis of ratings. So somebody in one postal code gets a higher premium than another just because of their postal code. What's your view on that?
So I think right now, from our perspective, as I mentioned earlier, there's a number of different positions being taken by different political parties. On June 8th, whoever is the government, we're pleased to work with them based on whatever they're looking at bringing forward. From our perspective, what we're talking about today is really concentrating on the existing system in place, and that is providing people who are looking for choice to give them that option, something that is really, for lack of a better word, revolutionary in the auto insurance space.
So are you measuring anything besides the kilometers, any usage measures?
So for this program, for billing purposes, only kilometers used. However, we do provide consumers information about their vehicle health. You can see that on your app, and you can see that on the website. You can see where you drive and how many kilometers that is, what time of day it is. But for rating and for using this for billing purposes, it's just kilometers.
For example, I purchased other auto insurance and I installed this app and you charge me.
So if you purchase insurance with CAA and it's through the MyPace program, you would be provided with...
You mean I must purchase the CAA insurance?
Yes. Yeah, this is only available for people who enroll in CAA MyPace.
Yes. How is it distributed? Like, I'm a customer, I want it. Do I go directly to CAA or through a broker, or can I do either or?
So you can do both. We have 41 brokerages around Ontario, as well as we sell our product directly through CAA agents that are available through a call center or in stores.
Other questions?
And if you exceed the 9,000,
So if you exceed the 9,000, your policy is essentially capped. You won't be paying any more. You've essentially reached the traditional policy amount that you would have traditionally paid under a normal insurance plan.
Any other questions?
just for me, the speaker was announcing training platforms. You mentioned at the end of your presentation, there's a 5% discount or something? Can you
Winter tires.
Sure, yeah. So back in 2011, so CAA was advocating for the winter tires and looking to have that front of mind as advocates. And we were one of the first insurance companies to bring forward with a 5% auto insurance reduction for policyholders.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Actually, on the topic of winter tires, do you have a sense of any statistical correlations between claims cost and like the total claims cost and the use of winter tires? Like not just the safety aspect, but whether it's actually reduced the total insurance payouts?
Yeah, so it's not specifically the cost of claims, but it's actually the frequency of claims. So claims are reduced when people have winter tires on their cars, especially for driving in climates like we have in Ontario, where actual winter tires and the treads on the tires do allow you to stop sooner with more distance and prevent accidents.
I'm just going to ask our insurance leaders to come up